Hi everyone and welcome to this new tutorial. Today we are going to see how to make screenshots using Qt. We have been seeing how to display images. Now we will see how to create screenshots and save them. Let's get started. Let's create a Qt widget application. We'll name it Screenshotter. And then as the base class, we'll take a widget, simple widget. Let's name it Screenshot. Screenshot widget. Okay, so we can use a UI file to design our screenshot widget. Now let's select MinJW64 as the key. Okay, this is our screenshotter. So we need first of all, a grid layout to organize the different widgets. And we need maybe a label to display the result. Let's name it capture label. And align the image to center. Okay. We need a button for taking the screenshot. Let's name it capture button. And we need maybe a timer for the capture. We'll use a combo box. So this is our combo box. Let's name it maybe time box. Okay, let's add the seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Now we'll need a save button. The save button. Okay. So this is the basic design of our capture widget. Okay, let's make the layout fill the window. And we'll include UQT modules. Okay. Now, the capture is triggered when we click on this button, So this is a scenario when you click on capture button, the program check the number of seconds, and then after that number of seconds, it runs the capture. So we go to the slot, we check on click. So what happened when the capture button is clicked? We'll create a function capture screen, and then a function save capture. The function save capture, we take in parameter the name of the capture image. So when the capture button is clicked, we will need to capture the screen. So to do that, we have a function called grab window. Now let's implement it the way that it should capture the whole screen. Okay, so we first of all need a timer. To run depending on the value that has been selected on our combo box. So let's get that value. In seconds. UI time box current text to in. So we take the combo box current text and we convert into an integer. Now we will change that integer, we'll convert that integer in millisecond. Okay. Now we need a timer that will run only once. So we create a single shot, the number of seconds, And now we need to enter the receiver with this, and then the member function capture screen. Okay, good. Oh, sorry, that capture screen should be a private slot. Let's see, a small mistake. Good. So I need to add a slot. Keyword. Okay. Now, with the capture screen, we need to capture the desktop. So we'll need to retrieve the desktop widget. So to retrieve that, we'll need to use Q desktop widget and take it from Q applications. So this is a pointer to our desktop widget that we'll retrieve from Q application desktop. So we have a pointer to desktop widget. Now we need to create a pix map to grab it. Qpix map capture equals Qpix map. We call the grab window. So grab widget is for the current widget. Now grab window is for the whole window. We need the window ID, so we can just call desktop widget window ID, and then the geometry values like x, y, the width and the height. So we just call desktop widget x, desktop widget y, desktop widget width, and then desktop widget height. Okay, so this is our capture. Now we can display it. First, we need to resize it to the size of the label. Yes. Can scale it to the width and the height of our image label. Capture label. Height, and then we set the pix map. Let's see. Okay, let's start capture. So this is the result. Now we'll need to change the number of seconds. So after 4 seconds, we capture. You can see the new capture. Okay. So now let's try something else. So before the so when the capture button is clicked, let's try to hide it. And after the capture, we'll show it. So it has captured our code. Let's make another try. Now for 5 seconds. This has captured the whole screen again. Alright, let's move forward and see how to save that capture. Well, to save the capture, that event is triggered when we click on the Save Capture button. Now we'll need the file dialog to to select the directory where to save the file. The file dialog. Now we'll call get save file name. Now as the title, save capture. Now we'll check if the file name is empty. Return. Then now let's save the file, save capture file name. And now here we'll just call UI capture label xmap, save. As a file name, we enter the file name, image, and now the format. You can write PNG. Let's see the result. Okay, let's capture. to desktop. Okay, this is our capture. Now let's save our capture. So this is our capture. So guys, this was just simple tutorial about showing how to create a screenshot taker using Qt. I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial. Thanks.